Good morning, and welcome back to Homestead News with Kevin and Pat. In today's episode of Trixie and Friends, we have Cali. In the weeks since Cali moved in and she gave birth, the kittens, the 5 surviving kittens are growing and thriving. Let's take a look. Good girl. Yeah. That's a good girl. Yes, indeed. Eat away. Okay. Okay now, buddy. You're eating kibbles too. Okay.
Five minutes later.
Did you know that Homestead News with Kevin and Pat had merchandise? That's right. There are a number of designs that are available. Not only for everyday use, but also designs specific to your favorite holidays. No matter which design you choose, you can have it put on a variety of products and materials as well. From shirts to sweats to hoodies. From cups to tumblers to plush animals, and even stickers. Check it out today by clicking the link below, or visiting our YouTube channel page and clicking on the Store tab.